Hey, Alex here with 911R. We're going to do a quick walk around on the Winnebago, just kind of going over some key little features and some cool equipment that this thing is fitted up with. There were two questions that were asked. The swing away trailer, the swing away bike rack, that's there, that's included, and same with the Garmin. Okay, so now that we're at the back, you can kind of get an idea. The awning does come out, there's lighting, there's exterior lighting all the way around. It's pretty sweet. You got this nice tough box here. This is affixed to the door, so to open this, you actually have to open the door. You got your bike rack up here for mountain bikes. There's that swing away that we were talking about. You got your spare. You know, this thing actually has so many cool little features. We sold an earth roamer not too long ago, and a lot of these cool little tidbits were also on the earth roamer. So, you know, this is a pretty sweet build. There's a lot of cool stuff. So let's go ahead and open up all the way so you can take a look. You got your ladder for the roof access there. I currently have the bed in the up position, so we can kind of take a look. It's motorized, it just comes up and down. We'll show you once we're on the inside there. Here you can take a look. You got your shower there. I did post all the specs for all the water tanks that are on board for gray, black, and for fresh water. You do have these mosquito bug net things on the side door and back here. It's pretty sweet. Not only can it go blackout, but it also, you can open it up and have fresh air coming in. Okay, now we're gonna start at the back and work our way up. I pulled the bench away that has like the, swing out table here, so we can take a look. This is where the batteries are stored here. You got a battery heater there, you got your inverter. This system here is tried and true, bulletproof. It works super well. You can have shore power. You got a kill switch back here and also one that's on the main panel there. You got plugins everywhere. You got plugins on the walls there. You got USB ports everywhere. You know, there's a lot of really cool outfitted creature comforts in this rig. Also storage. In a platform like this, storage is super important. You have these little like cubbies here, you got cubbies here, but then also you got some storage here for when the bed's up and down, you can kind of access those. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and lower the bed, do the on position. Actually moves pretty quickly. That took me by surprise. So it goes down, and there you go. You got the mattress, you got the bed sheets, it's motorized, it makes it really easy. You got your AC unit up here. Not only do you have access to black out that when the bed's down, but you can also bring it up to get that natural light. All the windows have shades and also the net, right? So for example, you can do a little shade out there, or you can have a nice clear net, keep the bugs out when you open up the windows. Those side windows are blackout. You can't see inside of them, but you can see out. These rear ones, there is a magnetic, kind of the same as the front that I showed you a photo of, that kind of pops on there if you'd like to do some insulation for heat or cold or whatever. Kitchen area, you got your sink, you got your fridge, mini fridge here, you got, a little induction stove top. There's a ton of storage, all these cubbies here. Little trash can there, and then you got this big one here. It's nice and tall and deep. So there's plenty of storage on this rig. 2 people, small family, totally can go out for a weekend and have a good time. In here, let's go ahead and open this up. You can use this for storage, or you got a shower and a restroom in here. You can set it up however you want with whatever adventures you go on, but there's a lot of versatility, and it has a lot of creature comforts than most of these conversion vans that I've seen. Right here you got your control panel. This is where I was able to go up and down with the bed right there. Super easy, just a press of a button. Information for your water pump there, your tank level, the battery level monitor for the inverter also. It does have solar panels, so right now it's charging the batteries, which is nice. So it's like a quick glance, you can take a look. This does have the big Mac Daddy Starlink. In here is the power supply. I mean, you got more USB ports here and more outlets. This is where the router would go. and allow you to have internet off the grid, and honestly, whenever you want. The Starlink's gotten so good now. Little kind of dining seating area. I mean, there's behind these cushions, there's more storage. You know, they're pretty creative in how they created all these different little storage compartments down here as well. So plenty of space to put stuff. You got your little fold out table here. You can go, you know, do some work off the grid, or have a nice place to eat. Making our way to the front here, you got nice overhead storage up here. Both captain chairs do swivel and can face this way. From there, there's a shot of the Garmin that is included in the sale. We did have a question about it. It has the you know, the mount that goes into the 2 cup holders on the dash there. You can affix whatever kind of accessories you want there. Besides that, I mean, you know, this is a pretty sweet rig. There's a lot of creature comforts. It's comfortable. There's air conditioning. There's heat. It has a mini fridge, sink, shower, bathroom. You know, plenty of storage. If you got any questions, if you want to see something specific, I'd be happy to show you. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below. And good luck bidding.